Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Nicole Janae. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the moisturizing line from Curl Mix. If you're interested in watching me style my hair and my thoughts, then keep watching.
Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 oh. And the fanciest things couldn't make me believe in us. I'm here for pleasure, so don't you put pressure on me to give into us. All I need is short-term devotion. I don't wanna be so emotional. Just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. No ties, no price, no need, so free. I don't care what you say, what you do, how you feel, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't need promises, honestly, no big deal, as long as you can show me a good time. I don't care. Oh, 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 just wanna dance, want a simple romance, nothing more, nothing less from you. Just stay the night, then we leave when it's like nothing wrong, it's alright with you.
Okay guys, so let's get right into the review. The first thing that I put on my hair was the Pure Avocado Moisture. This bottle is 8 ounces and it retails for $27. Guys, I absolutely love this product. This product definitely gets a 10 out of 10. I'm on the hunt for some new Holy Grail products, and this is definitely going on my list. And as you can tell in the video, the moment that I applied this moisturizer, my fingers slipped right through. Amazing slip, and my hair instantly felt soft. Guys, I absolutely love this product. The star of the ingredient is the Organic Jojoba Oil. And jojoba oil is the oil that's most like the natural substance that our scalp produces anyway. And I know that. I've had jojoba oil in my regimen since becoming natural about 6 years ago. My hair absolutely loves it, which is one of the reasons why I chose this particular line. Curl Mix has several lines for different reasons. This is the lavender and also the moisturizing line. And then of course it's winter time, it's cold outside, so our hair needs that extra moisture. So I reached for this product, and guys, this is the first time that I've tried this particular line, and I am in love with this product. And I didn't use very much of it. I don't know if you can tell in the moisturizer. You may be able to tell better in the gel, but it's just like right here. So I would get a lot of uses out of this. The second one I went in was this pure flaxseed gel, and this is also $27 for 8 ounces. The moment I put this gel on my hair, it almost smoothed my cuticle. I could feel instantly that my hair just felt smoother, that it was laying it down. It's kind of hard to explain, but I knew that I was going to have really good definition, and I do. I have definition, I have movement, I have bounce, and I really haven't had the best luck with gels. You know, when you try the gel and your hair dries, and when you try to fluff it out, you get that white cast and flakes are just everywhere. So I have over the years kind of shied away from using gels at all, and I recently tried to just find some gels that may work for me, and this is like, I'm shocked. Like, this gel is just literally amazing. I love it. This advertises that you can use this gel by itself as a one product wash and go. So I'm definitely interested in trying that out to see how that works, how this stands alone. But these products definitely together, these are winners, these are stars, guys. 10 out of 10. These will definitely be repurchased time and time again. The next thing you pull out the box is the Pure Regrowth Serum. Here it is right here. And it has organic jojoba oil, organic apricot oil, and also organic argan oil. Guys, this oil, this is like liquid gold right here. I mean, if you have done any research on natural oils, and I have, this is like, all I can say is wow. I was so excited to get these 3 oils in this. I actually sprayed a little bit on my hand. Another thing is that it comes in like a little spray pump, so I'm not wasting a drop of this liquid gold, guys, but I was able just to spray a couple squirts in my hand and just kind of scrunch it throughout my hair, put it on my scalp, and it's everything. If you don't know the importance of these oils, they do have it on their site, so I'm going to read it really quickly. The jojoba oil soothes the scalp and treats dry scalp and dandruff. It has the ability to penetrate the hair follicle and strengthen hair's fibers from the inside. The organic apricot oil contains essential fatty acids and helps soften the hair and scalp. And the organic argan oil helps to repair, soften, and strengthen dry, brittle hair. So, amazing natural organic oils, and you get a big container. This is 4 ounces, and this one retails for $22. Okay, last but certainly not least. Okay, so last but certainly not least, this is the hair and body butter. This one is $35, and when you, here's the container. It's so cute, right? And you open it up, and here is the hair and body butter. I had to just take a moment, guys. I put this butter on my body when I got out the shower. 10 out of 10. This butter, it's so hard for me even to describe how awesome this butter is, guys. It melted into my skin, and it absorbed into my skin, and it didn't feel greasy or anything. It just felt so nice, guys. This is what it looks like right there, and I didn't have to use very much of it. Matter of fact, oh, and it smells like that lavender. Get the aromatherapy going. get the calming. I'm just gonna take a little bit of it, and it literally, like, oh my gosh, it melts into your skin, like it's gone. And I'm gonna just literally just put this stuff all over. Guys, oh my gosh, it feels so good. It's really hard to explain it. With some butters, you have to really like warm it up in your hands, but not this. This is like, I don't know why I was gonna say if it feels like cotton, but I mean, it feels like cotton to me. It feels like just so, oh my gosh, guys, this butter, especially for these, like I said, these harsh winter months, I'm keeping this in my bathroom so that I can put this on every time I wash my hands, guys. Well, I might not leave it in my bathroom just so that it's not used up. I might put it tucked away as my little secret and pull it out. I may not leave it out on the countertop for other people to use. Just kidding, I'll leave it out on the countertop. Oh man, okay, sorry, I'm back. I just had to take a moment to use it. And this is a huge jar. Like, look how big, and this jar is nice and heavy and thick. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm in love with these curl mix. Okay, let me tell you a little bit about this product. This product retails for $35. It says, our hair and body butter is enriched with organic ingredients to restore your skin and locks. They include shea butter, which conditions the hair, reduces breakage, and improves skin's moisture retention and elasticity. Pumpkin seed oil, which stimulates hair and skin growth, and cocoon butter, which has antibacterial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, and it's one of the most expensive. This may be a little bit too heavy for my hair for something like a wash and go, but maybe for like a twist out or a braid out, or if I'm bunnying my hair, I might add a little bit to my strands, and I will let you know how that works. So this box actually retails for $107, and it is worth the price. It is worth the price, guys. I'm just in love. I'm just speechless. I am just speechless. All these products definitely get a 10 out of 10. These are something that are going to become staples in my hair care and my skin regimen because they're just that good, guys. And you know that if you go to Whole Foods or where I normally go, or natural grocers, to pick up some of these organic ingredients and to try to make these products yourself, you're gonna spend some money. They're quite expensive, but to get these good quality products delivered to your doorstep, and the packaging is just so efficient and cute, it's a win-win. So I want to know what you think about Curl Mix. Have you ever tried Curl Mix? What do you think about it? Do you love it as much as I do? Would you like to try Curl Mix? I am actually running a giveaway right now. I purchased this box for myself, and then I also purchased another box for my subscribers. And I am not going to pull it out because this is literally the exact same things that I just showed you. But I'm keeping it wrapped up nice and cute in this package for its new owner. And what I'm doing is I'm actually doing a thank you so much for your love and support and a Merry Christmas holiday giveaway right now that includes this bundle as one of the things in the giveaway number 2. So I'm gonna make sure that I leave that giveaway information down in the description box. Please go and watch that video and check it out. And if you're interested in receiving Curl Mix or any of the other items available in the giveaway, the details will be listed there for you in the description. Guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I really enjoyed making it for you. If you did like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Leave me some love in the comments down below. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. After you subscribe, there's also a little bell next to the subscribe button. Go ahead and click that as well. That way you will be notified when I upload my next video, so you will not miss me. As always, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.